Yes, my dear students, now we study about the next definitions of the chapter 6, lines and angle. And these are the definition of pair of angle. My dear students, in the last video we study about the single angle, just like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle. But in this video, we will study about the pair of angles. When we study the two angles together, these are called the pair of angles. The first definition is complementary angles. Complementary angles, I think you already know all this. When the sum of the two angles are 90 degree, these two angles are called complementary angle. This is the definition. Na? Yes, my dear students. Two angles are called complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. If the sum of their measure is 90 degree, then these two angles are called complementary angle. In this figure, this is a figure AOB, single angle है. But now OC is also a ray. OA ray, OB ray and OC ray. The common vertex is here. When angle is formed, when two rays start with a common initial point, the figure formed is called angle. अभी two ray OA और OB start हो रही है O से, this is called angle. But in between, not exact in between, but in between I draw this ray OC. ठीक है ना? Now in this figure there are two angles AOC, COB. If the addition of AOC and COB are 90 degree, if the addition of these two, if my dear students, if angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 90 degree, then these two angles, कौन से angle? Angle AOC and angle COB are called complementary angles. Then AOC and angle COB are called complementary angles. Clear, my dear students? When the measure of two angles are 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. The next definition, supplementary angles. When two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. If the sum is 90 degree, then these two angles are called complementary. Now they are the two angles, so we study this as a pair of angles. If the measure of the two angles, if the sum of the two angles are 180 degree, then these two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay? In this figure, FO, this is a point O, FOP and EOP. आप कह सकते हो EOP and POF. If the sum is 180, it means देखो EOF straight line है, in between OP ray है, तो इन पूरे का सम 180 होगा. देखो 120 plus 60, 180 degree. So angle EOP and angle POF are called supplementary angles because their sum is 180. दोनों का सम 180 है, तो दोनों separate क्या हुए? Supplementary angles. Clear, my dear students? If the sum is 180, then supplementary. If the sum is 90, then complementary angles. Next, adjacent angles. I think this is new for you. You read all these angles in the 9th class. आप 9th class में पढ़ रहे हो. Adjacent angle आपने पहले नहीं read किया. So my dear students, understand this concept very clearly. Adjacent angles क्या होते हैं? The two angles. This is also a pair of angles. The two angles are said to be adjacent angle. The two angles are called adjacent if they have common arm. अगर दो एंगल यहाँ देखो LOM and MON angles हैं two. If they have common arm, देखो LOM ये सभी क्या होती हैं? ये आर्म्स होती हैं. ये आर्म है, ये आर्म है और ये आर्म है. और this O point is called vertex. ये vertex होता है. If the two angle have common arm, अब LOM और MON की OM common arm है. If they have common arm and they have common vertex, अब vertex O भी LOM में भी O है, MON में भी O है. It means this point O is common and that O is called corner point. It means vertex point. If they have common arm and they have common vertex, common arm कौन सी है? OM. OM LOM में भी है, OM MON में भी है. The first condition true कि they have common arm. If they have common vertex, देखो LOM में भी O है और MON में भी O है. They have common vertex. ठीक है? This is a common arm. This is a common vertex. Now, my dear students, अब OM के इस साइड भी एक आर्म है, OM के राइट हैंड साइड में भी आर्म है. नेक्स्ट देखो, their non-common arm. Non-common arm कौन सी है ये? Their non-common arm are on the different side of the common arm. अब ये कॉमन आर्म के डिफरेंट साइड, एक तो राइट हैंड साइड है, एक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है. Their non-common arm are on the different side of the common arm. Then these two angles are called adjacent angles. Then these two angles are called adjacent angles. In this figure, angle LOM and angle MON are called adjacent angles. My dear students, understood all this or not? Yes, my dear students, the two angles are called adjacent angles if they have common arm and they have common vertex. And non-common arm are on the different side of the common arm. Then these two angles are called adjacent angles. In this figure, the conditions are equal. Common arm OM, common vertex OM. And the non-common arm, एक left side है और एक right side है. So these two angles, angle LOM and angle LON, are called adjacent angles. Understood this definition? Next, linear pair of angles. The next pair of angle is linear pair of angles. If you understood the definition of adjacent angles, then you can understand the definition of linear pair of angles because they are similar. कैसे? If two angles are called linear pair of angles, if they have common vertex and common arm. ठीक है, यहाँ तक दो पॉइंट बिल्कुल सेम है. The third point is different. If the non-common arms of the two adjacent angles, दो adjacent angles हैं, जैसे this और this adjacent angles हैं, non-common arm ये है OL और OM. If the non-common arm of the adjacent angles form a straight line, it means OL और OM इस स्ट्रेट लाइन की फॉर्म में आ गए हैं, OL और OM. अब यहाँ एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बन गई है. If the non-common arm of the two adjacent angles form a straight line, अब यहाँ देखो LOM, MON, यही OM कॉमन आर्म है, O कॉमन वर्टेक्स है, बट ये जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म है इन्होंने एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म कर दी. ठीक है ना? Then these two angles are called linear pair of angle. तब इन दोनों पेयरों क्या कहते हैं? Linear pair of angles. If the non-common arm of adjacent angles form a straight line, clear? Then these two angles are called, yes, linear pair of angles. Straight line कैसे? तो angle LOM, in this angle LOM plus angle MON का एडिशन क्या होगा? अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो दोनों एडजेसेंट एंगल का एडिशन क्या होगा? 180 degree. This concept will helpful in your all exercise of 6th chapter and 7th chapter. So please my dear students understand it very clearly. अगर नॉन कॉमन आर्म ने एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना दी तो स्ट्रेट लाइन पर जो कंप्लीट पूरा एंगल बना है वो 180 का होगा. तो इन दोनों का एडिशन क्या हो जाएगा? 180 डिग्री. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? तो आप मेंशन करोगे एंगल LOM plus angle MON equal to 180 degree. कब? When they form a linear pair of angles. Otherwise, no. Next, my dear students, it is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite. This is also a pair of angles. Two angles are called a pair of vertically opposite angles if their arms form two pair of opposite rays. अगर किसी एंगल की आर्म ने दो पेयर बना दिए अपोजिट रे के, then these two angles are called vertically opposite angle. देखो ये क्या है? OA और OB दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है. OC और OD दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है. वन पेयर OA और OB का, सेकंड पेयर OC और OD का. Then these एंगल 1 और 2 एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है और एक ही वर्टिकल में है, एक ही लाइन में है ना. तो 1 2 एंड एंगल 3 और 4 ये भी एक वर्टिकल में है. वर्टिकल में एक साथ ही है, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है. दिस 1 2 एंड 3 4 एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 are called vertically opposite angles. Clear? In other words, when the two lines intersect at the point O, अब AB line है CD. When the two lines intersect at the point O, then the two pair of vertically opposite angle form. दो पेयर ही बनते हैं. One pair 1 2 का, second pair 3 4 का. Or in the other words, when the two arms, when their arms form the two opposite ray, then these two are called vertically. देखो एक लाइन ये है, एक लाइन ये है. They intersect point O. उन्होंने O पे इंटरसेक्ट किया. अब एक अपोजिट रे ये बन गई पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट रे एंड एक पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट रे क्या सेकंड दिस इज आल्सो देन these two 1 and 2 are called vertically opposite angle and 3 and 4 are also called vertically opposite angles. These are the pair of angles. You have to understand all this concept very clearly because this will helpful in your complete 6th chapter. That's it my dear students. Now in next video we will start our exercise 6.1.